Christmas! Welcome to the special Christmas lesson video by Step by Step English. Today, let's learn about Christmas with all the teachers from Step by Step. Are you ready?
Merry Christmas! I'm Alexis. Are you excited for Christmas? Let's practice some Christmas words. Let's say the words together. Ready? It's a Christmas tree. It's a Christmas tree. They are cookies. They are cookies. He is Santa. He is Santa. It's a reindeer. It's a reindeer. It's an ornament. It's an ornament. They are Christmas lights. They are Christmas lights. They are presents. They are presents. It's a candy cane. It's a candy cane. It's a stocking. It's a stocking. Okay, great job everyone. Now let's play I Spy. What Christmas words can you see? If you see a Christmas word, please say it out loud. All right, let's look. Oh, I see a candy cane. Pew! It's a candy cane. Okay, next. I see Christmas lights. Oop, that's mud. Oh, there's a Christmas lights. Okay, next. I see cookies. Yum, 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 cookies. Okay, next. I see Santa. There's Santa. Pew! Okay, and I see presents. Oh, that's an ear. That's a dress. There are the presents. Woo! Okay, and I see a Christmas tree. Pew! Okay, and what else do I see? I see a reindeer. Beep, 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 pew. And I see a ornament. Beep, 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 pew. Great job. Now let's practice saying some toys in English with Adrian.
Merry Christmas! I'm Adrian. What do you want for Christmas? Let's say some popular toys in English. Okay, let's spin the wheel and practice some toys. Here we go. Okay, what's first? What is it? What is it? Oh, do you know this? What's this? Yes, it's a yo-yo. Do you want a yo-yo for Christmas? Please say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. All right, let's spin it again. What other toys do we have? Oh, what's this? It's a doll. Do you want a doll for Christmas? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Please say it out loud. Me? No, I don't. I don't want a doll. Okay, what's next? Here we go. All right, I want the puzzle. Where's the puzzle? Oh, that's not a puzzle. What's that? Yes, it's a plastic model. Do you want a plastic model for Christmas? Please say yes, I do, or no, I don't. Oh, I see. Well, they're fun, aren't they? Okay, let's spin it again. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's so cute. It's a stuffed animal. Do you want a stuffed animal for Christmas? Please say yes, I do, or no, I don't. Me? Yes, I do. They're so cute. All right, here we go. What's next? Can I get my puzzle, please? Oh, it's not a puzzle. What's this? It's a board game. It's a board game. Do you want a board game for Christmas? Awesome. Okay. All right, let's spin it again. What do you think is next? Oh, I hope I get the puzzle or the top. I want a top too. All right, let's spin it and find out. What is it? Oh, what's that? Let's drag it from over there. Yes, it's a jump rope. It's a jump rope. Do you want a jump rope for Christmas? Please say yes, I do, or no, I don't. All right, what else do we have? We have just a couple of more Christmas toys. What's this? Oh, it's going very far down. Oh, I know that. Yes, it's a video game. It's a video game. Do you want a video game for Christmas? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Oh, I want a video game. They're so much fun. Let's spin it again. Oh, where are my toys? Oh, there it is. Yeah, we have some blocks. Blocks. Do you want blocks for Christmas? Please say yes, I do, or no, I don't. No, I don't. I don't like blocks, so I don't want blocks. Let's spin it again. We have just two more. Oh, finally, what's that? It's a puzzle. Do you want a puzzle for Christmas? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. All right, what's the last one? Do you know this word? It's a top. Top, like a spinning top. Do you want a top for Christmas? All right, last time, please say yes, I do, or no, I don't, in a big voice. All right, good job. That was fun. Now let's learn more about Christmas with Chris.
Merry Christmas! I'm Chris. Can you say what you want for Christmas in English? Let's practice. Ooh, look at all of these fun things. What kind of present would you like? Let's see. If you want a yo-yo, please say, I want a yo-yo for Christmas. Ready? I want a yo-yo for Christmas. Good job. Let's see. Ooh, a doll. If you want a doll for Christmas, please say, I want a doll for Christmas. Ready? I want a doll for Christmas. All right, good job. What else do we have? Ooh, a video game. If you want a video game for Christmas, please say, I want a video game for Christmas. Ready? I want a video game for Christmas. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? Oh, a
Ho, ho, ho!
Who said that?
Christmas!
Who said that?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Have you all been good boys and girls this year? Well, I'm very busy, but I have a question for you, Chris. What do you want for Christmas?
Oh, it's Santa! And I can tell him what I want for Christmas. I want a new video game for Christmas.
Yes, video games are very popular with kids. Let's ask all of the staff and teachers at Step by Step English what they want for Christmas. Let's go to Midori. What do you want for Christmas, Midori?
I want a new bag.
Oh, that's nice. And what do you want for Christmas, Alexis?
I want a dog.
Oh, that's a popular present. And how about Jeremy? What do you want for Christmas, Jeremy?
I want a bicycle.
Oh, bicycles are fun. And how about Mihiro? What do you want for Christmas, Mihiro?
I want a new oven.
Oh, that's nice. And how about Adrian? What do you want for Christmas, Adrian?
I want a computer.
Oh, I see. Oh, and Rose. What do you want for Christmas, Rose?
I want you books.
Oh, I love books too. Now, let's ask everyone watching, what do you want for Christmas? Please say, I want for Christmas. Ready? I want for Christmas. Okay, I see. Thanks for letting me know. Have a Merry Christmas.
Wow, we just saw Santa! That's so exciting! Okay, now let's sing a Christmas song together. Let's practice the words for Jingle Bells and then sing it together. All right, please repeat after me. Dashing through the snow, dashing through the snow, in a one-horse open sleigh, in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, over the fields we go, laughing all the way, laughing all the way, ha ha ha! Bells on bobtails ring, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing, what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight, a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! Oh, what fun it is to ride! It is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! All right! So those are the words for Jingle Bells. Now let's sing it together. Here we go. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Woo! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Great job! That was so much fun! Well, we hope you learned a lot about Christmas. And we hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas!